Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bone file. This essential dental instrument is primarily used to smooth and contour bone after extractions or other surgical procedures. Understanding its proper application is crucial for achieving optimal patient outcomes and promoting faster healing. We'll cover everything from selecting the right file to mastering the correct filing technique, ensuring you can confidently incorporate this tool into your practice. Let's get started with the fundamentals. Selecting the correct bone file is the first step. They come in various sizes and shapes, each suited for different areas of the mouth. Once you have your file, the grip is paramount. A modified pen grasp, similar to holding a pen, offers the best control and allows for excellent tactile feedback. This grip helps you feel the bone's surface, preventing excessive pressure and ensuring a smooth, controlled motion throughout the procedure. Remember, a relaxed grip prevents hand fatigue. When using the bone file, the technique is key. Always use a pull stroke, drawing the file across the bone surface towards you. Never push the file or use a sawing motion, as this can crush bone and cause unnecessary trauma. Apply light to moderate pressure, letting the sharp edges do the work. It's also vital to frequently irrigate the surgical site with sterile saline to remove bone chips and maintain a clear view of the area you are working on. After filing, the goal is a smooth, even bone surface. This prevents irritation to the overlying soft tissue and aids in the proper seating of any future prosthetics. Once your procedure is complete, take a moment to inspect your bone file for any signs of wear, dullness, or damage. Proper instrument care is crucial for longevity and patient safety. Always clean and sterilize your bone files according to your clinic's strict infection control guidelines before storing them for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.